Hello friends, welcome back to Blocktride. We are finally starting with our Truffle course. If you are aware of Solidity or have gone through my playlist of Solidity for beginners and Solidity advanced concept, you are probably now able to build dApps. But there is something which is still missing. We still need to learn how to deploy smart contracts. So probably this is where Truffle comes into picture. Now let's move ahead and see what all we are going to cover in this course. Starting with the initial step, we'll look at the prerequisites required to run Truffle, which is npm, node.js, Ganesh and MetaMask. So I'll try to make specific videos how to install all of these in our local system. Now moving ahead, we'll also look at getting started with Truffle. We will look at what is Truffle and how to initiate a project and default directory structures required in Truffle. So moving ahead, we'll look at compiling the source code. So how the compiling for the source code is done in Truffle, we'll look at that. Then we will look at Ganesh, which is how to test your code locally. And then moving ahead, we'll look at configuring smart contracts for testnet or mainnet. So testnet is application or a server and mainnet is the main Ethereum network. And then the final step, which is migrations in Truffle. So migrations means deployment in Truffle. How to deploy on a testnet or a mainnet is what is meant by migrations in Truffle. So yeah, that's it for the video. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming ahead. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more. Thank you.